Welcome back to Electric Wheels Update. Today we're talking about the 2026 Toyota Wigo, a compact hatchback that's gaining attention for its practicality and efficiency. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, city-oriented car, this one definitely deserves a spot on your list. The exterior design of the 2026 Toyota Wigo is simple yet modern. At the front, you get a redesigned grille that looks bolder than before. The sharp headlights, along with available LED daytime running lights, give the car a fresh and updated appearance. The bumper has also been slightly sportier in design, adding a bit of aggression to this small car. From the side, the profile is clean, but the new alloy wheel design adds a touch of style, thanks to its compact size. The Wigo is perfect for navigating city traffic and fitting into tight parking spaces. At the rear, updated taillights and a subtly redesigned bumper give the car a well-balanced look. Overall, the design isn't flashy, but it's neat, practical, and ideal for everyday use. Now let's talk about performance. The 2026 Toyota Wigo comes with a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine, designed mainly for fuel efficiency. It produces around 65 to 70 horsepower, which is perfectly adequate for daily commuting. You get both manual and CVT transmission options, with the CVT offering a smoother driving experience, especially in city traffic. Acceleration isn't aggressive, but it's smooth and predictable. The steering is light, making it easy for new drivers to handle. The suspension is tuned on the softer side, which helps absorb bumps and rough roads fairly well. One of the strongest points of this car is its fuel economy, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious drivers. If you're using your car daily for office commutes or short trips, this car will help keep your fuel costs low. Moving on to the interior, the 2026 Wigo offers a simple yet functional cabin. The dashboard layout is clean and user-friendly, with easy-to-reach controls. In the center, you'll find a touchscreen infotainment system that supports smartphone connectivity. The steering wheel comes with basic controls, adding convenience while driving. The seats are comfortable for short to medium drives, although they may feel a bit basic on longer journeys. Front passenger space is decent, while rear seat space is limited, which is expected in this segment. The boot space is sufficient for daily groceries or small luggage needs. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Wigo is a simple, reliable, and fuel-efficient hatchback designed mainly for city drivers. It's perfect for those who want an affordable, low-maintenance vehicle without unnecessary features. If your priority is practicality and daily usability, the Wigo is definitely worth considering.